Hey mathematicians, let's talk some more about fractions and specifically denominators. You would know that the denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. It tells us how many of the equal parts make up one whole. In this case with the Mars bar, we can see that there are two equal parts that make up one whole Mars bar. And that's why there is a 2 as the denominator there. How much is left? Well, 1 out of those two pieces, one out of those two equal parts is left, and that's why we show that as 1 over 2. The 2 doesn't change even though I take that 1 away, that half away, because still we need two equal parts to make a whole. So, is it always 2 as a denominator? I've got the Snickers bar here. I'm going to try and cut it super carefully in half as well. So it also has two equal parts to make a whole. Right now, I have both of those equal parts. So this is 2 out of 2 parts to make a whole. But what if I cut it further than that? What if I cut this nice and carefully and equally, and I cut this nice and carefully and equally, and now we've got 4 equal parts. So what would our denominator on the bottom of the fraction be? Remember, the denominator shows us how many equal parts make up a whole. In this case for the Snickers, well, it's 4 equal parts make up one whole. For the Mars bar, it's still 2 because of how big those equal parts are. If I were to cut up the Mars bar more, then maybe it would change the denominator. But for now, we've got a Mars bar cut into 2 equal parts, and we've got a Snickers bar cut into 4 equal parts. So our denominator over here is 4. How many of those equal parts do I have right here? I have all 4. So I have 4 out of 4 equal parts to make up a whole Snickers bar. At that point, I might as well just write one whole Snickers bar, even though it's got some chops in it.